because you found a correlation, that don't mean there has to be a reason. Chances are there is, but you don't know. Sometimes you just have to let them go. Let them go sailing, sailing, sailing on the seas of ordination, in between two shores of expectation. And just because you found a correlation, that don't mean you're gonna reach your destination. Sailing, sailing, sailing on the seas of ordination, at scales that exceed all estimation.